Today, we will learn how to use the left, right? And middle functions in Excel. An example, we have data and we need to extract the data like first three numbers, the last three numbers, and middle three numbers.
To get first three digits, we will use left function. For last three digits, we will use right function. And finally, for middle three digits, we will use mid function. If you see here, I have mentioned 4 and 6, means it will start from 4th position, still 6th position. Now, I will replace 6 with 3 BQs. We need 3 digits starting from 4th positions. Select all 3 columns and drag to last row. I hope you have liked my video. Like and share.